Want to see someone's repost on TikTok? Then you're on the right video. Today, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily view the repost of people on TikTok. First thing first, move into your application TikTok. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now search for the username of the person that you want to see the repost of. Simply move into their profile. In this page, you will be able to see this repost icon right over here. Click on this icon. And these are all of the reposts that has been reposted by this person. If you scroll down, you will be able to see more. But also you should know that in order for you to view the repost, the account of the person should be public or you have followed that person. If that account is private and you are not even following that person, then you will not be able to view the repost. So make sure to follow that person or make sure that the account of that person is public. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.